All right, ladies and gentlemen, the day has finally come. We are at the Come and Go on Gilstrap Court in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. And I am so excited to get my first 9KJ. Here's the bathrooms. Yes. Yes. And no Xlerappy in this restroom. Oh my gosh, I am foaming right now. All right, this is going to be legit. Here we go. That worked magic. This is my favorite dryer.